possible नहीं है. You know it very well. Anything cannot flow easily upward. Only if there will be some difference, that is pressure difference, then the water can flow upward. Here two pipes is here. If you suck both the pipe, then through one pipe the water will go upward, and the pressure difference will not maintain. If the pressure difference will not maintain in your mouth, then it is not possible to go upward. The water will not go upward. So everything, you know it very well, air also cannot flow without pressure difference. So there is a experiment about the pressure difference. Now another experiment about the pressure difference we want to say. Mr. What's your name? Vishal.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Asmi Singh, and I study in class 9. We all know that pressure moves high to low. Means if somewhere is high pressure, then it moves to low pressure. Here in class, there are two pipes where we have to suck water. Even anyone is not able to suck water because air is faster than water to suck. So it covers the pressure. It covers the space in our mouth and does not able to create low pressure. So we can not able to suck water from the water with having two pipes in our mouth. Thank you and have a nice day.
If audience have any query about the daily life in physics, then you can ask. You can raise your hand and you can ask. Our junior scientists will give the answer. They know everything. What is the use of physics in our daily life? And we have two junior scientists as an assistant. I want to call both of Mr. Ashish and Ankur. Please come on stage, Mr. Ashish and Ankur. Pressure difference is very important. You know about the helicopter. One helicopter go upward due to the pressure difference. That is the shape of the fan. What happens when the fan move fast? Then what happens? The upward air will suck toward downward, and upward direction the vacuum is created. Due to creation of vacuum, the air goes upward, and with the help of air, the helicopter also lift up. So it is based on the pressure difference. You can see here the smoke will go downward. You know it very well. The smoke always goes upward. Smoke always goes upward. You know very well. Give answer yes or no? Yes. But you can see here the smoke will go downward. How is this possible? If smoke goes upward, then how is it possible that it will go downward? Due to the pressure difference. Due to the pressure difference. You can see here. ये आप देख रहे हैं, अभी स्मोक्स जो है ये ऊपर की ओर जा रहा है। अगर हम प्रेशर डिफरेंस मेंटेन करेंगे, if we lit a candle, then what happens? The air will go upward, and the inside the second box, the pressure will reduce, due to which the smoke will go down. can see here. You can see the smoke is going downward. Are you seeing? The smoke is going downward. The smoke is going out from second box. So it is due to pressure difference.